So on this video, let's talk about how to comment photos on TikTok. Now, I'm currently using a TikTok application on my iOS device. Now, just choose any random video, and then you're gonna have to click on the comment section, of course. Now, before we get started all the way, I just want to have a disclaimer that TikTok does not support static photos comment just yet. Meaning, if you click comment right here, there is no option to comment a video or even a photo. However, what you can do is click on and reply. Just choose any comment, for example, this one right here. And then once you click on reply for this one, let me just try this one right there. You'll see a video icon on the left side. Clicking that one right here gives you the option to comment a video, or click this one, the lower right icon, to enter a photo. And basically, that's how you do it. You can comment a photo on a video on a reply, but not directly as your comment to the video. Those are two separate things to take note of, and I think it's been rolling out to the public starting from Egypt for a few months, and it will slowly be rolled out to the world for the static photo. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.